Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by importing RAW files so you retain the most detail. This is critical for close-ups. Once imported, quickly inspect focus and exposure at 100% to confirm usable detail. Make a tight crop to isolate the subject and choose an aspect ratio that suits your output. Also enable lens corrections and remove chromatic aberration now, because those corrections change framing slightly. Doing them first prevents wasted work later and keeps your edit consistent. Next, you balance tone, adjust exposure for global brightness, pull highlights down to recover bright detail, and open shadows to reveal texture. These moves preserve form without crushing contrast. Then apply texture and clarity carefully to enhance micro detail. If you overdo it, skin or fine fabrics look gritty, so use local masks to target only the subject. Finally, use detail sliders. Increase sharpening while holding Alt to view the mask, and apply noise reduction to smooth backgrounds without losing edge detail. For the finish, correct white balance to neutralize casts. You want true colors that still feel natural. Use HSL to nudge problematic hues and saturations. Target specific colors rather than global saturation to avoid oversaturation. Add a subtle vignette to focus attention and run spot removal for dust or small distractions. Once done, export with target resolution and sharpen for the output medium. If color or banding appears, reduce noise reduction or re-export as 16-bit TIFF to preserve gradients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.